Organizations are moving fast toward Microsoft Fabric, but migrating complex Alteryx workflows can be time-consuming, risky, and expensive. That's where Pulse Convert comes. Alteryx environments often contain hundreds of workflows, custom logic, and dependencies. Manual migration means rewriting logic, validating outputs, and managing errors, all while keeping the business running. Pulse Convert now supports automated conversion from Alteryx to Microsoft Fabric, helping teams migrate faster, safer, and with confidence. Pulse Convert analyzes your Alteryx workflows and intelligently translates them into Fabric-ready components, including data flows, transformations, and logic. It preserves business rules, reduces manual effort, and highlights any exceptions that need attention. What used to take weeks can now be done in days. With Pulse Convert, you get faster migration timelines, reduced risk and rework, scalable Fabric-native solutions, and a smoother path to modern analytics. Accelerate your Alteryx to Fabric journey with Pulse Convert. Migration simplified.